So one of the questions we often get is about word clouds. So one of the things, one of the tools that we used to use was Wordle. And so, look, there's lots of apps out there for iPad, but there's also some good web tools. Now, Wordle won't work on an iPad, but we found this other one. So how might we use kind of word clouds in the classroom? So what I've got here is just some content on the Victorian Gold Rush. I've just copied basically some of that overview text just as a bit of a stimulus to get kids thinking about it. And then I've gone to wordclouds.com, which works beautifully on an iPad, and I've created a quick kind of word cloud. And you can see there that words like gold and Victoria come up, but you can also see words like California comes up and the dates come up, and that can be a really good stimulus to discuss and bring about inquiry about why would California come up when we're doing searches and finding content about the Ballarat or the Victorian goldfields. And so it's really easy to use. You just go to wordclouds.com, you click on Wizard. Now you can upload different documents, but we'll just go to the type, and it's just a case of pasting your text in there, pressing apply, and then it comes up beautifully with your word cloud there. And what we can do there is we can click on, for example, shape. We might actually put it, let's put it in the shape of Australia, see how that looks. We can make it bigger and smaller, so if I make it smaller there, you can see kind of Australia a little bit more. We can make it a little bit bigger in size. You can see there that an Australian little wordle there with Tasmania as well. And so just a great stimulus for getting kids to start to inquire about lots of text to really see if we can summarise what this text is about, what are the common words that are coming up. We've got the word British coming up there. Why might that be a word that pops up quite often in that text? Just a really great way to get kids starting to look at big amounts of text and what could be, what is that text about, and posing some questions about why are certain words coming up. And once again, you could take a screenshot of that, bring it into Book Creator, do some different things with it. But wordclouds.com, it's not an app. There are lots of apps out there that will do word clouds for you, but why not use a free tool like this that actually works really, really well on an iPad?